how can you attract more money into your life?
Well, that's a great question. There's lots of different ways to do it. I wrote a whole book that I give away that has 7 steps in it. The very first thing that people have to do is get their mind to make peace with money. Most people, if I say the question or I give this statement, money is the root of all, I don't have to say the last word. They're all filling it in. They're all saying evil. And now consider, if you sit here and say, I want to attract more money, I want to earn more money, I deserve more money, I'm doing affirmations, I'm doing visualizations, I'm doing everything that they know to do. That's great. Consciously, you're taking all the right action. But unconsciously, if you think money's evil, are you going to want it? You've got to allow enough to squeak in, because it's a necessary evil. You'll allow yourself enough to survive, but then you've got to push all the rest away. This is one reason why people who win a lottery, they may win millions of dollars, and then a year or so later, they not only have lost all that money, but they're often in debt. Why? They think money is evil, and so they push it away. They get rid of it. People who have, they win some money, they're given some money, they inherit some money, there's some sort of unexpected windfall that gets the money into their life. They actually have accidents, they get sick, they have self-sabotage. Why? Because unconsciously they're not at peace with money. To me, that's the number one thing they have to do, and that's why NLP, hypnosis, the stuff you and I create for people to go through, all those processes, those are designed to help people be in integrity with money. When they make peace with money, they're okay with money, money's got to show up. Trillions of dollars are in circulation right now. They're passing all around us, and ideas are passing around us that we can act on to bring more money into our lives. But if people don't think money is good, or they think money is evil, they actually won't see the ideas, they won't see the money, they won't take any action, they'll actually push it away. That's the number one thing that has to be done, is actually make peace with money and also deservingness. A lot of people don't feel good about themselves. They actually were told that you're not good enough, or they surmise that they weren't good enough because of what people told them as they were being brought up. So they become adults, but they're little kids in an adult body who think money's bad, and they think they're bad. So now they don't want to allow themselves money because it's evil, and they don't want to allow themselves good things like money because they think they're not good enough for it. So there's a whole psychology that is actually the first step. And once you take care of that first step, now you're in alignment. You can bring the money in, you can allow the money, you can disperse the money, you can give money, you can receive money, you can earn money, you can win money. It'll come to you because you're not pushing it away.